Welcome to the next session in our ZetaSphere software training series. Today we'll dive into the Measure tab, your central hub for conducting precise and comprehensive sample measurements. In the Measure tab, you'll notice familiar sections like Measurement Settings, Camera, Live Stats, and Device Settings. A powerful addition is the Samples section, where you organize your samples and ready them for analysis. In the upper right corner, the Arrange View option lets you tailor your workspace. Maximize the camera view to fine-tune your settings, focus solely on the samples panel, or display both equally. It's all about what works best for you. The Measurement Settings panel gives full control over all parameters for each channel. See changes instantly through the camera and live stats panels. Channels correspond to specific laser and filter setups. Click any channel to expand it. To pick a method, click the Select Method icon and star your favorites for quick access. ZetaSphere comes with predefined methods for standard measurements. Multiple revisions can exist per method, and their parameters are previewed for confident selection. Need something custom? Use the New Method Settings dialog to tailor your own, for example, targeting extracellular vesicles or nanobubbles. Then you can choose the measurement types you want: size, concentration, zeta potential, or co-localization, if available. Add your measurements as a new sample or just as an addition to already existing one. In camera view mode, you see live images of scattered light or fluorescence from the particles at the selected measurement position. The digital view highlights in green which particles are being tracked. In the live histogram, particle size distribution updates in real time. To adjust histogram settings like the x-axis scale, bin size, or sample interval, click Configure Live View. You can press Reset to return to defaults. Use the autofocus button to optimize the optics. While tuned for standard 100 nanometer polystyrene beads, it works well with most sample types. The Live Stats panel presents real-time metrics, including particle count. Number of traces reflects particles meeting analysis criteria. Mode particle size, the most frequent size. Mean particle size, background intensity. Signal-to-noise ratio, indicating the strength of the signal with regards to the background. Measured temperature at the cell, particle drift, ideally under 50 micrometers per second, and calculated concentration, based on the dilution factor you enter manually. Under Device Settings, you can manage the pump operation for dosing or rinsing, set the measurement position, control temperature regulation, switch on/off laser, and check conductivity when needed. In the Samples section, you'll find organized columns showing the sample name, dilution factor, chosen method measurements, status, and any additional remarks. For each sample, you can refine parameters such as gain, shutter, temperature, or stop criteria by simply double-clicking the entry. When you modify a method, the used method name is replaced with an arrow icon, letting you know you're working with a revised configuration. For your convenience, you can expand or collapse sample entries, delete obsolete ones, or even duplicate them if you're testing similar conditions. As measurement begins, the pop-out window display in real time the progress and remaining time. Once a sample completes, it receives a unique ID and the status automatically updates. Do you have a repetitive daily routine with multiple samples? Simply save, export, or import an entire worklist. You can also create a new worklist revision perfect for streamlined, repetitive workflows. For a detailed walkthrough of all features, check out our dedicated video. That concludes our deep dive into the Measure tab, from settings to the efficient workflow controls. If you have any questions, just reach out. See you next time.